These are the 4 best breakfast options which won't cause any gas or bloating. Number 1, avocado. Avocado is a good fat and it contains a lot of digestive enzymes. So one avocado every morning can help not to have any kind of bloating, and it digests very well. Number 2, sourdough bread. Sourdough bread contains no yeast because it's bind with the yogurt. Also, it's low in gluten and low in fructose. It means sugar. So having a 1 toast of sourdough in the morning cannot produce any kind of gas or bloating. Number 3, the fruits like papaya, kiwi, or pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain and kiwi and papaya contains digestive enzymes which help to digest any kind of extra fat in the system. And number 4, if you're looking for a great morning tea, ginger tea or peppermint tea is the best option because they are naturally contains a lot of digestive enzymes which help in digesting any acid sitting in your stomach. Ask me more questions or comment if you want to know something more. I'm here to help you.